Hi, good evening. So we are going to discuss this particular general task 1 today. This question was asked on 25th of September 2021, the Saturday. The question is like this: you travel abroad and face some problems at the airport. Write a letter to the airport manager. In your letter, provide your flight details. What was the problem? Suggest some improvements. So it definitely becomes a formal letter. So you are writing to the manager, airport manager. You don't have a direct contact with this person. So it becomes a formal letter. You have to write in the formal style. The points that you need to include in your letter is that you need to provide your flight details. So which flight you have traveled. What was the problem? So what issues you found that problematic, and suggest some improvements. You need to provide some improvements to do, see what improvements we can make. So these are the 3 questions. So I told you it's a formal letter, so I can address, because no name is given. I can start with dear sir or madam, or I can just start dear manager. No issues there. Dear manager. So airport manager you're writing. So you're writing dear manager or dear airport manager. So you can go with the dear airport manager, or you can write. So I gave you the option. You can write dear manager. So it is, if you have confusion, then go ahead with dear sir or madam. You can write dear manager. No issues there. I'm writing to express my dissatisfaction regarding the difficulty I faced at the Chicago airport during my last business trip. So what exactly is the purpose of writing? Who are you? I am a traveler. It is understood. I'm a passenger. It is understood. I made a business trip recently. Where exactly is the airport? Chicago airport. Why you are writing to express the dissatisfaction? So actually this is a complaint letter. So when you have a complaint, you express dissatisfaction. It's quite good to write, oh, I'm writing to complain. No issues there. Directly you can write. But indirect way of expressing, denoting the complaint is that you express your dissatisfaction. You can go in either way. You can express the dissatisfaction because there is a complaint, there is a problem. Or you can say directly, I am writing this to comply. No issues there. Now, the first part is clear. Now provide flight details. It was on 25th of last month. Okay, last month, 25. The date of travel. I landed at Chicago International Airport for the aforementioned purpose. What was the aforementioned purpose? It was a business trip. The flight number ATM 512, which took off from Amsterdam, landed half an hour late due to heavy air traffic. So I started from Amsterdam on this flight number, and it landed late half an hour just because of heavy air traffic. As soon as our team disembarked, okay, it's not embarked, disembarked, we requested the airport staff to make the exit procedures faster, lest we should get late to the meeting. So, fearing that we will be getting late to the meeting, we requested the staff, please make the exit procedure faster. However, the problem, the office staff had not responded positively Probably because of their hectic work schedule. We had to wait for another hour to get our baggage out, and we finally got out of the airport by 4 p.m., 2 hours late than what we expected. So the problem is explained. In the first paragraph, I have included the flight details. You can say that the flight details are here. The second paragraph, we have discussed the problem. The third paragraph. So this is a suggestion, what you can do. I admit that the airport staffs have their own pre-assigned duties and they have to give priority to their scheduled work. Yes, that's it. So we are suggesting improvements. Yes, we are not complaining that this is the thing which the irresponsibility of the staff. So we have already told it might be the problem of this thing, the hectic work schedule of the staff. However, passengers would benefit greatly if you could increase the number of airport staff in such a busy airport. So now the passengers, the number of if you increase the number of airport staff in such a busy airport like Chicago Airport, the passengers would be greatly benefited, would be highly benefited from that. So that is a suggestion indirectly. I have made the suggestion. And I look forward that you would make some positive changes in the near future. Spelling mistake here. Okay. Closing. We closed the letter. Yours faithfully, because I don't know the addressee, Robin Marvel, the name, full name of the passenger. Okay. So this is 188 words we have written. So if you could write more, it will be looking more informal. So it's okay, it's a standard presentation. We have organized. Salutation is clear. I told you the salutation. You can write dear manager instead of dear sir or madam. The purpose is clear. You have not written your name. You have written your name at the end, Robin Marvel. It is already there. You don't need to repeat it. Now, who are you? It is understood that you are the passenger. The purpose of the letter is clear, to express dissatisfaction. Flight details are given in the first paragraph. The problem is presented in the second paragraph, and the suggestion is there in the third paragraph. The letter is closed at last. Yours faithfully, Robin Marvel. Hope you have understood this.